Hello everyone, let's dive into the Micron 16GB DDR5 ECC UDIMM server RAM. Specifically, we're looking at the MTC1 EC5 6BD1R model, a 1RX 8-stick clocked at 5600 MHz with a CL46 latency. This memory is designed for the latest generation of server and desktop platforms, bringing with it some significant improvements over DDR4. The most noticeable upgrade is the clock speed. Micron claims a 50% improvement over DDR4, and while real-world performance will depend on your specific workload, the increased bandwidth is definitely noticeable. This translates to faster data access, quicker application loading times, and an overall snappier system. This particular module is ECC UDIMM, which is crucial for server environments where data integrity is paramount. ECC, or error-correcting code, memory can detect and correct single-bit errors that can occur during operation. This helps to prevent crashes and data corruption, making it a must-have for mission-critical applications. The UDIMM form factor means this memory is unbuffered, making it suitable for a wide range of systems, from high-end desktops to entry-level servers. However, it's important to check your motherboard's compatibility list before purchasing to ensure it supports DDR5 ECC UDIMMs. Another key feature of DDR5 is its improved power efficiency. This Micron module incorporates on-module power management, which helps to optimize power consumption and reduce heat generation. This not only saves on energy costs, but also contributes to a more stable and reliable system. The 5600 MHz speed and CL46 latency are decent for DDR5, but it's worth noting that there are faster modules available with tighter timings. However, these often come at a premium price. The Micron 16GB DDR5 ECC UDIMM strikes a good balance between performance, reliability, and cost, making it a solid choice for those looking to upgrade their server or workstation. In summary, the Micron 16GB DDR5 ECC UDIMM is a worthwhile upgrade for anyone looking to take advantage of the latest DDR5 technology. Its combination of speed, error correction, and power efficiency makes it a great option for both server and desktop applications. Just be sure to check your motherboard's compatibility before you buy.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.